Have you ever observed anything peculiar in your back just opposite to your navel area? If not, then there is a thing you can search for, which are making you special. It is well said that, if you have 2 holes on your back, then you are a special person. Well, you definitely must be curious about what these holes tell you. Let's have a look into some of the details about what these holes in the back represent all about. The 2 holes in the back are called as Venus holes. These are just small circles which are formed on the lower back area of both women and men. In the case of men, these holes are called as Apollo holes. The location of these holes is such that it connects with the pelvic region. It is observed among people with the genetic predisposition or appropriate size ligaments. It totally depends on your genetics, and one cannot choose to have these holes, or to avoid the presence of these holes. Another question is, what do these holes represent? It is a sign of good circulation in the body and represents a healthy body. The great circulation is one of the important prerequisites for easier orgasm achievement. The place where these Venus holes are located, there is no muscle. So, it is impossible to create the Venus holes, if you don't have it by birth. But with the help of exercise, you can eliminate the excess fat and make the holes more visible. The 2 holes do not have any functions as such, but they do look attractive on your back. One can make it more beautiful by having a tattoo in this area. The 2 holes along with the tattoo will definitely make you look fabulous. So, check out if you have these holes on your back. Well, whether you have it or not, there is nothing to worry about. It's just a unique way of how our body is designed, and there are no health concerns related to it. For more videos, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends and family.